Just over an hour from Brisbane, Maleny sits quietly in the Sunshine Coast Hinterland, a small town known for rolling green hills, rainforest walks, artisan food, and one of the most relaxing day trips in Queensland. Your first stop should be Maple Street, the heart of Maleny. This charming little strip is lined with boutique stores, bookshops, local galleries, and cosy cafes. Right in the heart of Maple Street is Maleny Lane, an amazing little food alley featuring gourmet food from around the world. Rustic food huts line the lane, serving mouth-watering dishes from a wide range of world cuisines. Live music is performed by local musicians from 12 to 2 p.m. every Saturday and Sunday. In autumn, Maleny feels especially inviting, particularly with the leaves of some trees lining the main street, turning a vibrant red and orange. There's no shortage of great spots for coffee, vintage treasures, and artisan homewares along the main street. After exploring the main street, it's time to stretch the legs on the Maleny Trail along the Obi Creek, which runs through the town. The picturesque 6.7 kilometre loop starts at the Maleny Showgrounds, but you can also access it at the Riverside Centre and jump straight onto the Obi Boardwalk. The Obi Boardwalk is a shaded subtropical rainforest walk featuring viewing platforms perfectly positioned for wildlife spotting. You can walk as much or as little of the trail as you like. Along this part of the trail, you will find Peace in the Trees, a unique collection of sculptures created by local artists. Following the trail for about 900 metres, you'll find the platypus viewing platform. Unfortunately, no platypus is spotted today. However, the best time of the day to see one is either early in the morning or late afternoon. Another part of the trail worth exploring starts at the park near the Maleny Library. This park and part of the trail is an important maternity roost for the nationally threatened grey-headed flying fox. this part of the trail is particularly pretty as you walk along the Obi Creek and amongst some of the more than 18,000 trees and native plants that line the trail. The Sunshine Coast Hinterland, and in particular Maleny, is one of the best places to see autumn colours in southeast Queensland. Not far from town, on Mountain View Road, is one of the best viewpoints of the Glasshouse Mountains, McCarthy's Lookout. A visit to Maleny wouldn't be complete without visiting Cairncross Scenic Reserve, which is also on Mountain View Road. While there is parking on site, it can get pretty busy on weekends, so don't be surprised if you have to park on the road. Cairncross Reserve comprises 55 hectares of subtropical rainforest overlooking the Glasshouse Mountains. Many of the trees in the reserve are hundreds of years old. The visitor centre includes the Mountain View Cafe, which offers spectacular views with indoor and outdoor seating. The gateway to the reserve is the Rainforest Discovery Centre, where you can enjoy exploring multi-sensory, interactive educational displays. Exiting the Discovery Centre and entering the reserve, there are 3 different walks you can do. The internal circuits are between 1.3 kilometres and 1.7 kilometres long. I decided to do the Rainforest Loop, which is the longest. The walking tracks weave through the ancient subtropical rainforest, which is filled with towering trees, vines, and the sounds of wildlife hidden in the canopy above. Again, on weekends it can be pretty busy, but the further you venture into the rainforest, the less people you'll see. There's plenty of signs along the way letting you know where you are, so there's no chance of getting lost. Always be on the lookout for wildlife. If you're lucky, you may even see a paddymellon like I did. If you look closely, you can see this one has a joey hidden in its pouch. Having completed the loop and back at the Discovery Centre, there was one last thing to do. Head up to the viewing platform and take in the Glasshouse Mountains. The perfect end to a great day trip to Maleny.